Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to add follow button on Facebook. So for that, open the Facebook application first and then get logged in into the account. Now once you're at the home page, you need to tap on the three horizontal line on the top right corner of your screen. Tap that. There you scroll down to the setting and privacy, tap on it, then tap on setting. Once you're at the setting and privacy, you scroll down to the audience and visibility. There inside, you need to tap on how people find and contact you. Tap that. There in the audience and visibility, you need to tap on option follower and public content. Tap that. So once you're at the follower and public content page, here you will be able to add that follow button in Facebook. The followers can see your post, reel, stories and sound bites in feed. The friends on your Facebook will follow your post, reel and stories. So this setting helps you to apply the follow button to the people who does not. So if you change the setting to public, you will be able to add that follow button, and you can also choose whether you want to make your followers visible or not. Currently, you can see your followers on your timeline is public. If you tap on friend, only your friend can see who follows you on your Facebook. If you tap on only me, only you will be able to see your followers. So this is a way how you can add follow button in Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thanks for watching till the very end.